Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this heavy full sleeves peacock feather design using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this design. We need to give the 3 sizes of curves markings, and now I'll be using piping cord to stick in the center. Leave the first curve which is there for sticking of drop shape kundan. Next, in between the gap I'd be sticking this cord, and for creating of feather work I'd be using pink and mustard yellow color of silk threads, which is a 4 strands and size 60 number needle here I'd be using. And here we are creating padded load stitch. So on the cord we have to give an overlapping stitches like this. If you want much more volume, you can either increase the strands volume to 6 or 8. And here one side I have started. Once completed, this whole oval shape has to be filled with the padded load stitch. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box, kindly check out. For this type of designing, use the contrasted colors because it will really elevate and highlight the pattern. So next oval shape I'll be using here pink, which is also 4 strands, and this is how we have to give satin stitch here for the filling of this gap. These are customized designer patterns which you can also try on your old blouses. Remove the side stitches, fix the small size of frame, follow the instructions which I am sharing here, and you can try this easily. Once the filling is done, this is how it looks. Now in between these gaps I'll be giving an overlapping stitch. For that also I'll be using 4 strands of mustard yellow color silk thread, and this is how we need to overlap from the mustard yellow to pink. Like this we have to give overlapping stitches. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your queries. And next to that I'd be applying the glue in this center one. And firstly I'll be sticking the chain ball lace. Next to that I'll be sticking silver color drop shape kundan. Finally, for the creation of the border work, I'll be applying the 3 lines with the glue to stick the chain ball lace. Next to this, stone lace, and again chain ball lace. This is how 3 lines has to be created. So little by little, one after another, we have to stick it like this. Next I'd be using gold metallic beads, also the sugar bead, to create the hanging pattern here. That means to highlight the beads work here. So both at a time I'd be inserting. Here I'd be using 4 mm gold beads with sugar bead. Both at a time I'd be inserting and giving the stitch without any gaps. We have to give the stitch, and it's now completely dried, the lines of chain ball lace and stone lace, so that I'd be giving here an invisible stitches so that it will stay for long run even after the frequent washes. These are the designer patterns. You must follow some while washing. Go for the light wash, shampoo wash, or for the dry wash. These are heavily designed patterns and exclusively designed for the bridal collection. Also you can try this for the party wear collection. If you know the work how to create this type of patterns, which is really so simple and easy to do at home. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.